OnePlus 6T release. Latest leak may reveal an important detail about this new flagship. OnePlus 6T is the next headline flagship from the Chinese company, but it appears a very important detail about the device has been revealed ahead of its official announcement. OnePlus 6T is the presumed name given to the successor of the lauded OnePlus 6 that released back in May. The OnePlus 6 was critically acclaimed for packing a ton of flagship features into a device that started below £500. A Snapdragon 845 processor was housed inside the OnePlus 6, making it incredibly quick when using Google's Android operating system. And its 6.28-inch AMOLED with a resolution of 1080x2280 made viewing content an absolute treat. We loved the budget flagship when we reviewed it at express.co.uk, awarding it 5 out of 5 stars in our review. Technology editor David Snelling said, "The OnePlus 6 is an incredible phone at an even more incredible price. It's fast, looks great and has a very nice display which offers a brilliantly bright and sharp viewing experience. The new camera offers plenty of extras including portrait mode and, while it's not as good as some of the flagship rivals, still produces some good photos." Because the OnePlus 6 was so well received, its successor is highly anticipated. And it seems as though the latest flagship from the Chinese tech giant is set to introduce some radical changes. OnePlus have confirmed the presumably named 6T will come with a fingerprint sensor underneath its display. In an email to CNET, the firm said, "We unlock our phones multiple times a day, and screen unlock reduces the number of steps to complete the action. By adding this feature as an addition to other display unlocking options such as face unlock, users will have options to unlock the display in a way that is most efficient for them." Alleged packaging of the OnePlus 6T recently leaked on Weibo and featured an outline of the product that suggested its display could look very different. The hardware was shown featuring a screen with a teardrop-shaped notch that was noticeably smaller than that of the OnePlus 6. Other rumors had also pointed towards the OnePlus 6 boasting a triple camera setup. However, it seems a new leak has suggested this will not be the case when the device releases. WinFuture recently posted an image it claimed was the first official photo of the device. The rear of the alleged OnePlus 6T was only shown featuring 2 camera modules, suggesting the new device will forego a third lens. The publication also showed off the claimed logo for the OnePlus 6T that was shown previously on the supposed packing for the product. And an alleged teaser video for the phone has also surfaced online that shows the flagship with 2 cameras on its rear and appears to promote its in-display fingerprint scanner. CNET recently emphasized the OnePlus 6T will launch next month and has a price tentatively set at $550, £416.52.